Hey everybody, what's up? TC here with a commentary on something I spoke about the other day. I actually made two videos on this, and this is the third. I got to follow up on this because it's important. As everybody might know by now, Donald Trump getting ready to pick a new Supreme Court judge. Um, well, really a nominee, but to me, it's a fucking foregone conclusion that he gonna get his person in, and he's narrowed it down to four judges, four crazy ass right wing motherfucking crackers that could be on the Supreme Court for the next 25 years. Okay, I spoke on that, and I thought that it would be, you know, a good idea to pick a black woman Supreme Court justice, but they're not going to do that. They're going to pick some right wing ideologue that is all Second Amendment, anti abortion, and, really, really far, far to the right. So the Supreme Court going to be fucked up for the foreseeable future. So you ain't going to never be able to look to the Supreme Court to get any justice uh, on anything concerning black people. It just ain't going to happen. And I wish I could have been a motherfucking fly on the wall when they was talking about that shit. But knowing what I know about Trump and the people he surrounds himself by, the question of a black woman on the Supreme Court never really entered the minds of those fucking people. I mean, I know it was in the back of their head somewhere, in somebody's head. It had to be, you know. But as quick as that shit entered the conversation, that's how quickly it left. You know what I mean? If it entered the conversation at all. I mean, the last best chance we had of getting a black woman on the Supreme Court or another black man on the Supreme Court left with Barack Obama. So I just thought that it would be a good idea and a good way for Donald Trump to secure support from some coons anyway. You know what I mean? I mean, a brother like me, he ain't gonna never get my support. I don't give a goddamn if he dig up Fannie Lou Hamer and put her on the Supreme Court. He'll never get my motherfucking support. But there's enough coons and sellouts out there that, it would have made them, really stronger believers in his monkey ass. But he didn't. He picked four crackers, one woman and three men as his final four nominees. He had, I think, at the top of it, he had like 25 people he was considering. Not one of them was black. And like I said, as I didn't expect it to be, but I'm just saying, the thought could have passed through somebody's motherfucking head to do that. But it didn't. So we got to keep an eye on who this motherfucker picked and keep an eye on the Congress and see if they confirm his motherfucking pick. You know, to me, that was one of Barack Obama's biggest blunders and biggest sellout moves, was not picking, not nominating a black woman to sit on the Supreme Court when he had the chance. And yeah, I said it before, I say it again. He got that Hispanic woman up on there, but the next move should have been put a black woman up. Even if they didn't talk to her, even if she didn't get confirmed, it would have still been a really historic gesture and really would have showed that he had a little bit of love in his heart for the people who put him in office. But he didn't have that. He was just a goddamn corporate sellout Democrat and a coon on top of that. So that was our man Obama. But Trump, he's just getting ready to put some more goddamn Klansmen on the fucking Ku Klux on the Supreme Court and make this country even more fascist than it is. So us black people, again, we've already known that we had nobody to turn to, but that is even more true now as this new Supreme Court nominee comes up before the House and Senate. So we'll see what happens with that. You know what I mean? And it's gonna be a sad motherfucking time in this country for the next couple of years. All we can do is hope that some Justice Democrats or some real progressives get in fucking office, and we can kind of at least put some kind of adjustment on this thing while this motherfucker's still sitting his bitch ass up in the White House. Not for nothing, but I saw I heard a piece on RT, Russia Today, Tom Hartman's radio show on XM, that Justice Kennedy, the guy that's retiring, has a son, and that son is on the board of directors at Deutsche Bank, and that's one of the only banks that would give Donald Trump a fucking loan for some of his business dealings. A lot of the other big banks wouldn't give that bitch no money because they know how fucked up, his business practices are. But Deutsche Bank would, and they have a son that sits on the board of directors that is real tight with Trump. I don't know if there's some kind of connection there, but it does have the appearance of impropriety. And it made my motherfucking head turn anyway. I'm like, what the fuck is this bitch ass motherfucker doing now? You know what I mean? Because white people never do nothing for no reason, especially white people like Donald Trump. They got a reason for everything that they do. So ain't no telling what kind of nasty ass motherfucking deal they working to get the Supreme Court stacked. You know what I mean? In the favor of the fascists and the white powers that be. I just thought I'd put that out there. But y'all keep your head up, man. The next couple of days, these hearings are gonna start, and we're gonna see how this shit go. We're gonna see how tough the fucking Democrats are on his nominee. We'll see. All right. Anyway, that's it for now. Y'all like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Hit me with that thumbs up, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Oh, behind me is a charcoal I just finished for my bodybuilder series. That is Sean Ray's physique. I couldn't really get the face just like I wanted to, but Sean Ray, the bodybuilder, he's still around. He kind of an asshole, so I didn't really want to use his likeness like that because he'll hunt my little ass down and try to fucking sue me or some shit like that. But yeah, I got a whole series of those. It's my physique art series. I mount those, and I get, they do pretty well when I do a show. All right, well, like and subscribe. Go over to tcedwards.com. Look at my gallery and see if y'all like something. All right, TC, and I'm out.